Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Sabrina Carpenter on Dressing Princess's her MTV VMA performance outfit. So super simple. You only need one VIP item, and if you don't have it, that's fine. You don't need to use it. For the hair, I made some adjustments. Use this hair in this color and only bangs, no adjustments made. And then this hair in the same color. Position the Z to 0.58 and scale it to 0.57. Grab this hair in the same color as well. Position the Y to 0.43, Z to 0.61. Rotate the X to 0.53. Now for the outfit, we are going to use, actually let's use the non-VIP item first. We're going to use this top here, well this dress in top only. And then color it white and glitter for the first toggle. The second one, color it your skin color in matte. Then the last one in kind of just the same in glitter. Actually, let's do default maybe. Then we're going to use these pants in black. These stockings in like a darker brown color. Like this maybe, and then these shoes in black. Then if you do have VIP, I'm just going to put the shell top on in white and glitter, and then in glitter in like silver and white, like so. And then lastly, you're going to add the mic prop. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.